Hello, this is a technical analysis and price forecast for DOGE Coin. It is for potential buy and holders, less for traders. And the reason is that it's quite fluctuating and your stop is quite sensitive when trading this. So, this is more an idea for holders and at your own risk because crypto is very risky and you should allocate, if you're allocating any capital, at the level that you are very safe with basically losing all of that investment. So that should be a consideration. Technically, what we're looking at now, in my opinion, is that we've got here. Let me get this. There it is. We've got this breakout from this area. This was a breakout. Okay. And then we had a retest over here. These are two retests. This is a bit of a deep retest to this diagonal resistance. And then going more up. These are the weekly candles. This one went 28% approximately up. And we're now in the current one. And we're sustaining the zero point 0.1 or 10 cent, 10 cent US dollar level, which is a key level to sustain and to protect, and it's doing that quite well actually. And so this is one sign of strength, as well as the retest and up. And if I'm looking at this price range, which is approximately the range of 4.5 cents to 18 cents that we've been to at most of the year, 2022. So this blue line, the value area high, is at 12.7 cents, and I think we're heading there. That's over in 20% upside. And then we've got these lows of 21 of February, 17th of Jan. These are all weekly lows, and the 29th of November, which are also levels to look at. The recent one was 13.5 cents, and I believe that we will be testing that as well eventually. And Dogecoin, I think, has got for the longer term, has got a 136 upside potential because if I'm looking at this initial range, from its inception, or from May 21st, not an inception, but May 21st, since it started. This is on Coinbase. So there's two levels here. There's this trading range and this trading range. So I'm looking at this one, and this red line is the POC. That's at 24.5 cents, and I believe that it will eventually get there. Fundamentally, we have potentially the support of Elon Musk and Twitter, if enough that there's going to be some significant news how Dogecoin is better integrated into Twitter. That can be a serious catalyst. I think we've seen here an accumulation over around this area. It's all accumulation, pop up, liquidating a lot of the late bulls, which happens a lot in crypto. And now we will be, I think, eventually getting there. We might have a lot of tricky moves here. That's why, as I mentioned, I don't recommend trading it. I recommend holding it, and do consider holding it until around 24, 25 cents at your consideration only. Do return to ForexLive for additional interesting perspectives on technical analysis and trade Dogecoin and crypto at your own risk only. Thank you.